Hi, my name's Dan Nelson. I'm standing in front of one of my four-dimensional painting installations. In fact, it's being installed as we speak. I did this particular one for my original hometown of Grand Rapids, Michigan. There's 111 portraits of people from Grand Rapids across 77 canvases, and as you can see, they're offset, so some are up close and some are far behind. That allows me to do one very particular trick, which is when you stand in one of the sweet spots here in front of the installation, certain images come into alignment. And in this case, all the images pertain to the city of Grand Rapids, Michigan. I think that my calling in life, what I get the biggest charge out of, is the idea of shifting the culture of cities. And this is really a culture shifting machine. A piece of artwork, of course, any artwork, just stands there 24/7 and beams forth a feeling, an ethos, I like to say. And this certainly does that. It's already been fun. People today are coming up even before it's finished being set up and start looking and enjoying the interaction with the faces. And then one person will go, wait a minute, look it, there's these buildings, and they'll start figuring out how the meta images work. So this piece really does beam forth, as I like to say, a certain atmosphere. I've been an artist pretty much my whole life. By the time I went out to kindergarten, I thought I was an artist. I must have had encouraging parents or something. And I seem to have evidently one screw loose, because most artists really like painting in private in their studio, and I love an audience. So part of the way that I do these installations is live in front of people. So I create a little bit of almost a mini festival. I'll have music playing and be painting live in front of people, so that I really like to create an atmosphere when I'm creating one of these installations. I think what I really enjoyed about doing this piece was that I got to interact with real people, people that I met literally on the streets of Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I incorporated the history of the city, the culture of the city, and of course the people of the city. And the piece should last easily 500 years. I'd love to do one of these for every city in America.